And it's not a marble machine, guys. It is one of these little I can't even describe the shape because it has angles and some designs, and at first I thought that this here was a flaw in my printer, but it's part of this design. I think I had to pay for the STL file, but it's okay. I really wanted it. So basically what you can do is you can see that you can rotate these things and it becomes something completely different. Let me go ahead and line up these two. There we go. And until they are all four like that. So that makes it into a square. And on the bottom it also creates a square. That's actually the piece that holds all of these pieces together. And thanks for the putting the numbers there. So each piece, once you print it, each piece is labeled on the bottom side with an arrow, and you have to match the number and the arrow, otherwise you cannot put it together. So, but anyway, it's just it's mesmerizing. It's basically, just look at that, and it just changes into all kinds of shapes, you know. Go forward, and we are back to where we started. So I really enjoyed this. Just a quick little video of something that you can also print if you have a 3D printer. If not, you can always hire someone to print it for you on the internet. Well, you have a great day, and thumbs up, and tell your friends.